Hello, good day. Today we're going to be talking about how to buy BUSD and sell BUSD as in Nigerian on Binance Nigeria. Um, Buy with Naira, sell for Naira, basically. And I'm going to be walking you through how to sign up on Binance. This is the sign up page you can see. Yes, and secure account so you don't easily get hacked. So yeah, this is the sign up page. What it looks like. Your typical sign up page. I will leave my referral link below. You can get 10% rebate for from your transaction fee if you use my referral link. Um, so yeah, your email, your password has to be case sensitive and all that. All not. Remember, you could write it down somewhere if you make a mixture of passwords so you don't forget. So I'm going to be signing in now quickly to walk you guys through how you can buy BUSD, buy Bitcoin with Naira, and sell for Naira. Basically, it's simple. And we'll talk about the order book and the various forms of buying Bitcoin, BUSD, or whatever on Binance. You can go do it the pro way or the novice way. But I mean, you save more money when you do it the pro way because you go through the order book and find an order that suits you, a price, then you take it. So while logged in on Binance, you go to firstly we have to before you can make fiat transaction, that is money naira transaction on Binance, you need to verify to level 3 actually. But you can see in here from here I've verified my personal details and verified my address. And these are very simple are very simple to do. Basically, upload your international passports or your bank statement, and they'll do that for you. But you can't do anything without this verification. You can trade cryptocurrency and withdraw cryptocurrency up to two BTC, but that's just about it. Fiat transaction, you need to verify your account, at least a level 3 verification before you can make this transaction. So I'm going to walk you through, assuming that you have done verifying your account. This is the simplest way to buy cryptocurrency on Binance. It's so simple. It's card purchase. Well, it's quite expensive. All you need to do is put in the amount you want to buy, put in the cryptocurrency. Sorry, I blood it out because my card details are showing. Put in what you want. Yeah, there's BUSD, there's BNB, there's BTC, and whatever. Put in the value, filling your card, and that's all. But it's difficult to use this method now because of our FX crisis. It won't go. Most banks have a limit of $100, so you're wasting your time basically. Yeah, the best option to use is what I'm going to show you right now, bank deposits. Flutterwave is the payment gateway, and they are doing well with Binance. So apparently, this is the easiest way. You can deposit up to 18 million naira in a day on Binance with this method, basically. So you can see card has a 1.4, bank transfer is just 300 naira per transaction, and you can see the limit there up to 18 million in a day. So you put in the amount you want to deposit, you continue, and then an account number is generated for you. As soon as that you send the money, it takes about 2 to 3 minutes to reflect. You get an email from Binance that yes, payment has been made, and again, we're going to be talking about the most important part of this. Okay, well, this is how you see your Naira deposits. I mean, you can see on this account there's almost 400 and something thousand where you can trade with, or you can withdraw or deposit more. This is why you can see Binance separates the fiat. You can see fiat balance from the other whatever, and you can withdraw. This is basically how you withdraw on Binance. I think it has a 2 million per day um limit, and you're charged 300 naira. So it's quite instant. Basically, it takes about 2 to 3 minutes to reflect in your account. So you've seen how you can deposit on Binance and withdraw on Binance. It's very easy. 3 4 clicks, you're done. Same applies to cryptocurrency. You can deposit, trade, and withdraw in any cryptocurrency you wish. I think he has over 100 and something cryptocurrency you can trace from basically. So this with Bitcoin, you just put your address and whatever and do everything. So now we're going to talk about security. Um, it's you're advised to have more than one or two security on your account. I use a Google Authenticator. You can use an SMS too to make it stronger. Um, and wish lists for addresses. Wish lists are for addresses that you wish that you withdraw often to, basically. But yeah, an authenticator is okay, and an email address is okay. But if you want to go further, you can an SMS authenticator basically. But it's not really advisable because your number can be swapped and your account can be hacked. I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to be showing you the various trades on Binance. There is the you can see there is the basic and the classic. Classic and advanced are almost the same thing. There are others. Maybe I'll make them in subsequent videos. It's very simple to convert. It's what probably Coinbase uses, not the Pro. Luno too without the Pro. You just swap currencies, but you're swapping them at a premium. You don't have the right to choose what price you want to sell at or buy at. Just it's more like a market order. So you basically select the currency you want to convert to from and to, and click preview conversion, and you have very simple, very easy, straightforward. But you are paying a premium and high fees. The other trade I want to show you is the classic. The classic trade is basically what everybody does on an exchange, because this is an exchange where you change swap currencies. This is the layout of every classic trade on every exchange. And to the left, to the right, you have your currency pairs. Left, you have your order book, and in the middle, you have charts. You have your limit order or whatever you want to do down here basically, and then you have your trade order history. So we're going to you can see we are currently on the Bitcoin pairs. Basically what this means is that if you have Bitcoin BTC, you can trade BTC for every currency here, every token here, every currency. You can sort by change, last price, and pair for easy sorting. Or you can just search for the currency you want to exchange Bitcoin with. Now you have this is Binance, and their native currency, their native token is BNB, which is this, and it has its own pairs too, basically. And the alt too, where you find Ethereum, Electronics, and XRP, where you can trade against them too. If you have Ethereum, you can buy so that's under Ethereum currency pair. Then you have the fiat. Fiat has basically all national currencies plus the crypto national currency. Let's say that if I can put it that way, you have the stable coins USDT, BUSD, TUSD, and etc. BUSD is Binance stable coin, just like USDT is Bitfinex and whatever. So the most popular stable coin is USDT. While but for this video, I'm going to be playing around with BUSD and Naira, our local currency. So you find basically every local currency of supported countries basically, like you can see the British pounds and the Russian ruby. So we're heading for the Nigerian Naira. These are supported pairs that support the Nigerian Naira. You can literally trade straight from your Naira. You can get Bitcoin, Ethereum, BUSD, or BNB straight from your Naira without any conversion. With time, Binance will add more to these pairs, but this is what we have now, the major pairs basically. And BUSD gives you various advantages because when you convert to BUSD or Bitcoin, BUSD is stable. That's why I always make reference to it, because once you convert to it, your money it's there. It's a stable currency. It doesn't fluctuate. Unlike Bitcoin that fluctuates, or BNB or Ethereum. So you can convert any of these and then trade them here. This is BNB, and we have Ethereum and Bitcoin. So you can convert any of them, and then BUSD is somewhere around there, and trade them against every other currency pair you wish to. So we are going to talk about how to trade other cryptocurrency with Naira, and then withdraw your Naira, and then convert them back to Naira and withdraw into your account. And this is where you come to for your Naira trades. This is the limit order, the market order, and then stop limit. There's so many other things, but when dwelling on limit and market orders, I'm using the limit order because that's the most cost efficient order. Limit order, I'm going to buy BUSD at 450. Oh no, it's not going to show on the order book, but let me use 453 basically and show you how it is, how simple it is. So this is the price I want to buy it at, 453. And what amount of BUSD do I want to buy? Let's say I want to buy 100. So at 100 BUSD will cost me 45,300 naira. I mean, I have more than that in my account. So yes, I can buy 100 BUSD easily, and I just click. I hit buy BUSD. You can see my order. I mean, there are two orders. There's another order, but my order is here. The 100 is my order shown on the order book. So I've put a limit order, and the same way you can do you can sell your BUSD for Naira on the sell panel. I'm going to cancel this and show you. I don't think I have enough. I don't think I have enough BUSD to sell, but it's the same process basically. You can put your okay. I want to sell my BUSD as 470. Let's say 455. So I'm selling BUSD for Naira now, and what do I have? I just have three. I don't think Binance will allow you to go, but 3 BUSD at 455 will give me 1,365 naira. So I think the minimum transaction on Binance is barely $10. Yes, $10 US. Okay, went through. Look at my order here. Once it gets to 455.1, my order will be filled up. I'll have more naira. So I'm going to cancel this here too. So that's how easy it is to buy or sell. Okay, I'm going to show you how to convert your BUSD. Let's say you bought BUSD here, you put your order for the three, you bought 1,000 BUSD. That is 453,000. And you hit the buy. That's my order here. I don't know what this guy with $5 in there. I buy 1,000 BUSD, and then I want to convert it to USDT so I can trade derivative, because the base currency here is USDT. So I'll have to go to the USDT coin pair, And these are once you have USDT, you can trade everything here basically, and vice versa, and search for BUSD. They're both stable currency, but it's it's 0.001% or so different. So yeah, here I can buy BUSD with USDT because I have 154 USDT on my account and I have 3 BUSD in my account. So I can buy USDT to trade more pairs or futures the derivative, or I can sell my BUS BUSD for okay, so I can buy BUSD with USDT, which is not what we came here, but yes, this is it. Or sell my BUSD for USDT, so I can trade the futures derivative here, and vice versa basically. So when I'm done trading here, because the base currency is USDT, I'll come here. Sorry, this I'll come here and buy. I have 154, as you can see. Oh, my price, sorry. Pick one of the prices here. One amount of what? I mean, this is a sick. Binance is very easy, so you can. Here is 50% of what your total available amount. So do I want to let go of 50% or 75% or 100%? 100% in my case, that is 154 total. I can change the total here too if I wish, and this is what I'll get basically. So if I do this, I'll have sold it. I've bought BUSD with USDT basically from my trade, in my profit basically, and then I'll now go back to my comp here and look for PUS NGN, and what I'm looking for is BUSD NGN to sell back to Naira. So this is the so yeah. So I want to sell my BUSD for Naira. I have a couple of BUSD I made trade in, and I want to sell it at 455. I put my available BUSD here. You can see here 3, or I can just use the seek 50%, 100% as we did earlier, and hit the sell. Yeah, that's my order. If it executes, I'll have more Naira. But I don't really want to do that. So now I'm done. Assuming I sold, all I have to do is assume I sold. All I have to do is go to my wallet, my spot order, and withdraw. Because it's going to show here. Once it executes, it's going to show here as available, and hit the withdraw, and as we talked about earlier, and that's about that. Thank you.